Hello students. Today we'll start a new chapter in social studies about locating places on earth. Latitudes and longitudes help in locating places on the earth. They form grids which enable us to locate places. We'll learn about latitudes. When we look at the globe, we find some imaginary horizontal and parallel lines that run from east to west. These lines are called latitudes. There are 181 latitudes. Among the latitudes, the equator is the longest and the most important latitude. The latitudes are measured in degrees and the equator is at 0 degree. The North Pole is at 90 degree north and the South Pole is at 90 degree south. Some important latitudes are Arctic Circle is 66.5 degree north. Tropic of Cancer is 23.5 degree north. Equator is in the middle, so it is at the 0 degree. Tropic of Capricorn 21.5 degree south. Antarctic Circle 66.5 degree south. The equator divides the earth into two halves. The half that is above the equator is called the northern hemisphere, and the half that is below the equator is called the southern hemisphere. What are the characteristics of latitudes? That is, the latitudes are parallel, imaginary lines that run from east to west, and latitudes are measured in degrees. Equator is the longest latitude. The length of the latitude goes on decreasing as we move ahead on either side of the equator. At the poles, the latitude is just like a dot. We'll talk about longitudes. The imaginary vertical and parallel lines that join the north and the south poles are called the lines of longitudes, or it is also known as meridians. Longitudes are of equal length. They are measured in degrees. The 0 degree longitude is called the prime meridian. It passes through Greenwich near London. This meridian, also called the Greenwich meridian, is considered the standard meridian for calculating the time. The time here is known as the Greenwich Mean Time. There are 180 meridians towards the east of the prime meridian and 180 meridians towards its west. The meridian of 180 east and 180 west is the same line. It is called the International Date Line. Characteristics of longitudes, that is, longitudes are imaginary vertical lines that join the two poles. All longitudes are equal. 0 degree longitude is called the prime meridian, and 180 longitudes are there on either side of the prime meridian. How to locate places? Now see, for locating places on earth, it is a difficult task as the shape of the earth is spherical. In order to know the location and direction of places on earth, a set of defined method, or you can call it a technique, that has been developed, which involves the use of imaginary points, the latitudes and the longitudes. The latitudes and the longitudes, they crisscross each other, forming a geographical grid system. The point on the intersecting latitude and longitude reveals the location of the place. So here, this is all for today, guys. Have a good day.